Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Verasity. Wanted to do a quick little daily update for today. Some things what we talked about yesterday happened, so that's why I felt like an update was needed, because, well, some things actually did change. It's still, Verasity right now, obviously, technically, it's very, very bullish right now, all right? So there's nothing we can say about that. But technically, it is struggling a bit with trying to get higher, and that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. We'll do a full update. We'll talk about the technicals. We'll talk about some other numbers, statistics, everything you need to know. But that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, though, I do want to tell you, if you're new to the channel, that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, and all of my results are completely transparent in monthly reports. So you can check that out if you want to. There's a chat room full of traders as well, very valuable, and my own trading guide. So if you want to check that out, if you want to join, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, onto Verasity. So what we talked about yesterday, when the price was still down here, down below 0.6 cents, it is that it was most likely that Verasity would break above this level. This is what I said, all right? This is what I said in the video, is that it was likely that it would break above 0.6/0.62 cents, because that's the full resistance level, and that it will rally, and I said, up to 0.72 and 0.75 cents. And that is kind of where Verasity is struggling, because it did break above that level, but then it spiked up towards 0.7 cents right here, and it did not get there. And right now it's actually struggling with this orange line right here, which, if we zoom out to the daily time frame, is also a very strong Fibonacci level. So that is true, and that is now also the main resistance level, which is pretty weird because we already broke above that earlier. But yeah, so it's still that Verasity is struggling with that. It's actually quite some bearish confirmation. Now the open interest and the volume have still been going up, as you can see. So there's still momentum in Verasity, and therefore I would also, at this moment, I would still say that it's most likely that Verasity will break above this level, which is around 0.65 cents. And from there, get towards 0.72 and 0.75 cents. And then from there, we'll see again. The next resistance level is probably around 0.82 cents. Whether Verasity is able to get there or not depends a lot on how it reacts to this level. So we cannot really say anything about that. Now, do I think that 1 cent is coming for Verasity? I don't think so. It's a possibility, but if it gets to 1 cent, it will get to 1.1 cents, to be honest. But for now, I don't think that's... For now, that doesn't look most likely. It looks most likely that it will continue going up. But I did want to end this video a little bit with a warning, in that right now, Verasity is still very bullish, both technically, but also fundamentally, if we're taking a look at the volume and the open interest. Still a lot of momentum. But the main source of this bullish momentum is obviously coming from news and coming from real fundamentals. And what is true is that usually after the news comes out and after it kind of settles in, usually cryptos fall down in price. And that's also what I expect for Verasity somewhere in the next 2 weeks. And that could theoretically be at any point of time. So personally, I'm staying out. I should have bought yesterday. I did not. So now I'm staying out. Because if Verasity, and in my eyes, it's almost 50-50. It's like 60% chance that it will continue going up, because it still shows a lot of momentum. But a 40% chance that it will drop down below its main support at 0.6 cents. And then it probably is over. It will drop down to 0.5 and 0.52 cents. And it's hard to recover from there. So that's why I'm not taking a trade personally. I think it's very unstable right now. I'd say, because you're here for a prediction, that's why I'm telling you, I think it's most likely it will continue going up. But it does say something that I'm not taking it as a long. All right, so if you do want to long, I would wait for at least 0.65 cents to break again as a resistance, and otherwise just stay out. But that's my take on Verasity. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.